Now just a few feet from where I last took a picture, you can see more clearly the stream running, and you may be able to hear it if I'm quiet. And down here is Oscar. Oscar, you smile at the camera, please. Don't go down there, please. These were holes of wombats. To the best... No, don't go over there, please. Come on, come back away. Come back away from the edge, please. Come on. These were holes of wombats. The evidence is that the wombats have gone to high ground and survived. Just another quick turn around here and all of this mess.